In this part of our training course, we want to tell you how to configure the settings, the Duct. We go to the project browser window. I close the Docs tree, open the Duct system again. You can see there are three options: exhaust air and returner and also supplier. I select Duct again. After that, I change the type to the rectangular center. For selecting the systems of the duct, I go to the properties and mechanical section. All system types are available. Supply air is the default one. I change the width to 20 inches. Click. Right-click cancel. As you can see, the color of our duct is blue. I change the thickness, and you can change the thickness. I change the system to return air. Okay, you can see the color is purple now. These colors are the defaults. And the last one is the exhaust air. So the color changed to green. You can change the configurations, for example, colors or other things. I click on the end of the duct and change the elevation to 15 feet, apply. Okay. Ctrl Z, sorry. I have to change the system to supply air. Okay, 15 feet again. I click here. My elevation is 9. Apply. I try to active this section box so you can see the view much better. Change the view type to hidden and try to tile the window views. Sorry. Okay, here we go. One side is to up and one side is to down, and select clear similar. And it is important to know that I must go to the properties window. I put it here because I want to change the system again. Okay, click system, 15 feet for this. Apply. Exactly like this. 0, apply. Okay. We had to change the system to the exhaust air. 15 feet for this, apply. I change the elevation to 0, apply. Like this. I use Ctrl Z. I want, it must be to up, not down. Okay, so I change the values, create similar. Dark system, exhaust, okay. 15 for this. Okay, here we go. Everything correct now. I go to project browser window again, select the supply air, type properties. My family system is Duct system. Graphic overrides change it to if you want. The colors, patterns, and the weights of the lines are available. I use solid for pattern, and weight is belong to thickness of the line. If you change this option, the output print of your file will affect. Okay. Materials and finishes. You can add any material to your system. I don't recommend this, especially for colors. Maybe you want to make colorful file.